Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Magda and I'm a product expert in Foyr. In today's video, we're going to create ceiling designs with lights. I'm going to show you 3 different examples, each of them very simple and very easy to do. Let's start. We will start with that wavy, organic ceiling design. It's very simple, but with added texture, it can really elevate the interior. To create that ceiling design, we will double-click on the ceiling space and now go to Create New Product tool. We will start with the rectangle. Give it some depth. Now we can switch off the environment and we can start creating our waves. First, I will divide it in half by using line offset. Now with the push and pull, I will push one part slightly in. Now by using ruler tool, I will measure out the positions to create my waves. And again, with ruler tool, I will define my midpoint. Now by using arc tool, I will create my waves. So I will start on my ruler tool, I will draw a straight line, and now I can create the wave. I can type in the wave size, so I have them equal on both sides. Now with trim tool, we will remove the ruler lines. Now with push and pull, I will remove these parts. And I will make tiny steps between the waves. I've used the same material as I have on my wardrobes. And from the texture catalog, I chose a light illuminating material. From the color chart, I chose a different hue. And now I use the Copy Texture Material tool to apply the same light on the rest of the elements. We have the first design done. This is the second design. And to create this one, we will also switch to 3D mode of our project. We double-click on the ceiling space. Go to Create New Product tool, Rectangle tool, and we will trace over our entire ceiling. Again, we will give it some depth. Now we can switch off the environment and we can start creating the design. I will use the offset tool and I will create multiple offsets. Now I will use the push and pull. This part I will push in. The same with this part. And this part. You can create as many offsets as you like, and you can use the push and pull accordingly. Now you can apply different textures to any of the elements. And from the texture catalog, we will apply the light texture material. I will apply it into the sinking parts in the smaller square area and in the larger square area. And our second ceiling design is ready. Third option is very minimalistic and super easy to do. It can be used in a kid's room, but also in modern spaces instead of using track or recessed lights. We're in 3D mode again, and we double click on the ceiling space. Create new product tool, rectangle tool, and we will trace over entire ceiling again. Give it some depth. And now, by using rectangle tool, we will create thin rectangles of different lengths. By using push and pull, we will push these parts slightly in. From texture catalog, we can choose different colors of light illuminating materials and just simply apply them into the cavities that we created. You can apply darker color texture for the ceiling for a better result. And this is our third ceiling design done. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check the link in the description for 14 days free trial of Foyr Neo. Thank you for watching and happy designing!